Hello and welcome to the Professional Logo Design course with the Adobe Illustrator software. In this course, you will learn to design logos from scratch until you become a professional in an easy and simple way without having any experience whatsoever in designing logos. By the time you reach the end of this course, you will reach an advanced level and be capable of creating professional logos from scratch. This course has so many lessons that will show you how to create different kinds of logos in a smooth and simple way, and all of the logos designs in this course will be included so that you can keep up with the lessons in complete accuracy. This course is for designers and anyone that wants to learn to create their own logos and brand marks to make money from creating and selling logos, as it's one of the most lucrative jobs online. So go ahead and subscribe to this course to start your designing journey.